Hello, and welcome to the Avoiding Bias in Writing and Research Library Research Workshop. In this video, we will be looking at how to identify biased writing and reporting. You can use the tips you learn in this video for when you start to look at articles in your research process. So how do we assess if a source is biased? When we first come across an article, there are a few things we can ask ourselves and things we can check to do our initial assessment of whether or not the source may be biased. To begin with, we can ask ourselves if the source is known to favor a certain political or moral side. If the source we are using is commonly known to have bias, it is important for us to read the source with an awareness that the source may not be as credible as we think. Additionally, if we are getting our information from a source that is commonly considered to have bias, it is important for us to make sure that we also find other sources so we know that we are getting the full story. Next, we should do some background research on the author to see if the author themselves have any of their own personal biases. Some authors can be known advocates for or work with certain organizations, giving them biases that stand in the way of them being able to write an unbiased article. Once again, if we find that the author may have certain biases, we should go about reading the article with a strong awareness that the article may not be as credible as we think. If we are reading the article and we notice that the author is not acknowledging other positions and is in very clear favor of one side, we can identify biases being present. In a future video, we will look at some examples of what this may look like. Finally, it is important to utilize your own logic and reasoning, as well as the various indicators of bias you've learned in this workshop to help to determine bias. Thank you for listening.